We'll guide you through how to create Notion pages with the latest methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Notion website. Once you're logged in, you should see your Notion workspace. On the left sidebar, you'll spot a plus sign next to the private or shared sections. Click on the plus sign to create a new page. You can then name your page by clicking on the new page header at the top. Notion offers a variety of templates to get you started. So if you want to use one, click on the templates button on the right side of your screen. Choose a template that fits your needs, whether it's a task list, calendar, or something else. After selecting a template, you'll see it populate in your new page. If you prefer starting from scratch, you can skip the template step and just start typing directly into the page. You can add different types of blocks like text, images, to-dos, and more by clicking the plus sign that appears when you hover over the left margin of your page. Organize your content by dragging and dropping these blocks to your desired location. You can also adjust the page settings by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. Here you can change the font, copy link, or duplicate. Once you're happy with your page, navigate back to your workspace to see it listed under your chosen section. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.